In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer tickets through Access when Ticketmaster is not compatible. If you're trying to move a ticket from AXS into Ticketmaster, the first thing to understand is that these two platforms run on separate systems. That means you cannot directly import an Access ticket file into Ticketmaster, and there isn't a built-in option that transfers tickets from one service to the other. This is important to know from the start because it helps avoid confusion and saves time if you're helping a buyer receive their tickets. To send the ticket properly, begin by opening the Access app on your phone. Once you're signed in, go to the section labeled Tickets. This is where your active and eligible tickets will appear. Find the ticket you want to send and then select the transfer option. If you do not see transfer, it may mean the event organizer has not enabled transfers for that event, or the ticket is not currently eligible to be moved. In that case, you would need to check the event details inside Access. When the transfer screen opens, enter the buyer's email address. Make sure you use the correct email address provided by the person receiving the ticket, especially if you are selling or transferring to a specific buyer. A small typo can send the transfer to the wrong person or delay the process, so it's worth taking a moment to double check before continuing. After the email address is entered, complete the transfer inside AXS. The transfer must be finished on the AXS platform itself, since that is the system managing the ticket. Once submitted, the recipient will receive the transfer and must accept it through their own Access account. In other words, the ticket does not get converted into a Ticketmaster ticket, and it does not appear there simply because it was sent to someone else. The recipient needs to use Access to claim it. As a helpful tip, let the buyer know to watch for the transfer notification and to check their spam or junk folder if they do not see the email right away. It can also help to confirm that they already have or create an Access account using the same email address you entered for the transfer. That's the correct way to handle it, not by importing into Ticketmaster, but by transferring directly through Access so the recipient can accept it there.